student, today my topic is Lewis electronic structure. In this, sum up the valence electron of bonded atom. If it is anion, then if it is negative, then we add the charge, and if it is cation, that is positive, we subtract the charge. Always in chemistry remember that thing, that if we have negative charge, we add up this thing, and if we have positive charge, then we subtract it. So the charge, for example, in CO, C is negative and O is also negative, so we sum up both the charges. C have 4 electron in its valence shell and O is 6 electron in its valence shell. All together, when we add both of this, we get 10. So it is 10 electron in CNO. Likewise, NO2, N have 5 electron in its valence shell and oxygen is 6 electron. So here is 2, so we multiply by 2 to 6. So we get 12 electron altogether, and one charge is there, so 1 plus is also there. So the equation is 5 plus 12 plus 1 is 18. Now if we consider carbonate ion, it has 2 minus, so C is 4 in outermost valence electron, and O is 6. Here O is 3, then we multiply 3 into 6 is equal to 18, and charge is 2, so we add up this charge also. So the equation is 4, 18, 2 is 24. Now generally the most electronegative atom is placed in the center, while H and F are almost always at the terminal, like this. This is the more electronegative atom, N and P. So more electronegative atom are placed at the central atom, and the less electronegative atom are placed at the side or a terminal atom. All the atoms are joined through single bond, and each bond involve one electron pair. It contributes its 1 electron, so chlorine also contribute its 1 electron, so both of them just share one electron, and both the electron get in paired. So both the electron consider both the atom. So sometimes central atom may have less than 8 electron, or sometime it may more than 8 electron. The molecule which are electron deficient, that is less in outermost shell, they have less than 8 electron, and the molecule which are electron rich, that is more than this bonded electron, they have more than 8 electron. For example, in PCl3, this is the structure. P is just one lone pair and 3 bonded pair, so it is altogether 6 electron in its valence shell. Now here C and O, altogether it has 10 electron, both of them. So this is the electron rich pair, and PCl3 is electron deficient pair. Now come to next topic, resonance. The phenomena in which more than one electron structure are written for the molecule. For benzene, we have 5 resonating structure. The electronic structure which have more than one form is called as resonance, and benzene have 5 electronic structure. Just like this, the bond just alternately revolve around the whole ring, and this sign is representing resonance. The compound that show resonance have high heat of the formation than the theoretical value, so the amount of heat released due to the resonance is called resonance energy. These are the resonance structure. This is the resonance structure of CO. This is the resonance structure of NO. This is the resonance structure of NO2. This is the resonance structure of ozone. Now resonance and stability. The value of resonance energy increases, the stability also get increases. If the value of resonance energy get increased, the stability of that particular structure get increased. So the greater is the number of resonating structure taking part in resonance, greater is the stability of hybrid. Number of resonating structure, if there is 3, then it is less stable. If there is 5 structure of particular hybrid, then it is more stable. Next is the resonating structure containing more covalent bond is more stable. The resonating structure which contain covalent bond is more stable. So my question is, what is Lewis structure and resonance? Thank you.